60 days of AI content creation, what I learned, and what I do differently. In just 60 days, I leveled up my AI skills more than I had in the past year by diving headfirst into bite-sized bots and building a full content system with AI as my co-pilot. Most of us are curious about AI, but we're not sure where to begin. I wanted to test what would happen if I built something real, a newsletter, a YouTube channel, and Instagram content, all from scratch in 2 months. Along the way, I discovered 3 lessons that can save you a lot of time and frustration if you're starting out. I spent too much time polishing my early posts, trying to get them just right. The turning point came when I finally just hit publish. AI is great at helping refine drafts, but the real progress came from sharing consistently, not endlessly tweaking. The quicker you get your work out there, the faster you improve. Early on, I tried experimenting with different AI tricks here and there, but what really worked was connecting AI into simple systems I was already using: planning, scheduling, organizing. That shift turned AI from a one-off helper into a reliable part of my workflow. A huge part of my growth has come from how much I lean on my AI assistants. ChatGPT and Claude aren't just tools in my stack, they've become collaborators. I use them constantly to bounce around ideas, draft and redraft content, tighten messaging, improve workflows, and even coach me through roadblocks when I get stuck. They've become true partners in my creative process. One mistake I made was trying to build an automation for SEO research with Make.com. It sounded exciting, but it was way more complicated than I needed, and honestly, unnecessary for me at this stage. The lesson? Not every shiny AI trend is right for you. Sometimes the simplest tools make the biggest difference. So if you're curious about AI, but not sure where to start, begin with a small project and let AI support you along the way. And if you want to skip the overwhelm, grab my free AI Tools cheat sheet by subscribing to the Bite Size Bots newsletter. You can find the link below. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.